Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today's video very important video. Accenture batch 2 exams is completed. Communication exam is completed. So the deadline was 15th January 2026. I hope everyone is completed successfully. Suppose if you are facing any auto submission problem, then you can mail them like campus query at accenture.com, or else you can directly raise the ticket, or else you can directly call to the technical support team. Okay, so before start this video, we are created the Instagram page 1 day ago. So we are posted one by one interview experiences in that Instagram page. So definitely that it will be helpful and free job notifications and whatever the preparation materials and all. So we will make Instagram post wise, so better to uh, you need to follow that Instagram page. So you can see there is a QR code here, and if you want Instagram link, then link in the description as well as comment section. You can follow that Instagram page. Definitely it will that page will be helpful for you. Okay, let's get into the video without any delay. Like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more upcoming interview preparations who are having interviews in upcoming days. Okay, so let's get into the video. So the first interview experience for the 29th December batch 1 is interviews is completed. So this complete video will be 29th December candidates interview experience video. That means recent interview experiences. Definitely each and every experience will be helpful real time, and if you prepare well for the interview, definitely you will clear the interview. Okay, so let's get into the video. And before going to the video, I'll give some suggestions for the interview preparation. So firstly, who are completed the successfully communication assessment, whatever the resumes whatever the skills you have mentioned in your resume, then you can prepare accordingly. Okay, so first thing was self introduction. Okay, you need to practice in front of the mirror for the self introduction. It will be helpful to make confidence towards the interview. Even though see, I'm preparing for I'm making the videos, even my communication skills also not good, but without any script I just speak and I just tell the information to the students. Okay, even if continuously making the videos, then my communication skills automatically improved. Okay, but compared to beginning, and in future the videos will be improved, right? So like that, if you prepare everyday self introduction project in front of the mirror, then you understand whatever the drawbacks and whatever the mistakes you have done during the self introduction, and while giving the information regarding your project, how much you have knowledge towards the project, everything will be better understand. So that's why you need to start your preparation today onwards. Interviews will be started this month and maximum like 25th or 24th or 26th. These dates you will get the interviews. So without any delay, you need to start. First suggestion, in front of the mirror, just speak your like a self introduction. Hello sir, my name is this particular name, and whatever the next process, I have completed the graduation with an aggregate of this percentage. So like this you need to speak in front of the mirror. That is the first suggestion. And one more second suggestion was, most of the candidates will be confident, okay, I have so much knowledge in my project, so there is a no need to prepare for that. But you need to prepare for the your college major final year project. Okay, most of the interviewers will be asking your project questions only. Okay, so you must and should prepare the final year project. That is the second suggestion. And third suggestion, during the interview, you need to maintain good positive vibe. Okay, and also don't tension towards the interview. You just cool and calm, and you can attempt the interview. Okay, that is a very very important thing, because most of the candidates will be some random wrong answers tell to the interviewer, and interviewer will be interviewer almost lost the impression towards your profile. So that's why you need to maintain good positive vibe. Okay, and that is the third suggestion. And fourth suggestion, whatever the questions interviewer will be asking, almost 90 to 100% you need to try to at least answer. Okay, some basic thing you need to try to attempt the question. Okay, so don't tell to the interviewer, sir, I don't know this question, so ask next question. If you're rude like this, and your interviewer will be rejected you directly. Okay, so please just tell to the interviewer, sir, I have basic knowledge on this topic, so these are the some basic concepts I have know, so that in future I'll definitely upskill my knowledge towards this topic. So that like this you need to tell. So interviewer will be okay, you are a fresher, you have some basic knowledge, that's enough to hire you. Okay, so these are the some important suggestions. And next final thing was, you need to maintain good dress. Okay, you need to maintain good dress even it is online. Okay, so like don't wear casual type of clothes. You just wear some good shirt. If you are a man, you just wear some good plain shirt or check shirt. And if you are a female, as per your comfort, and you need to wear some traditional type, then it will be good to see for the interviewer, and good to see your professional towards the job. Okay, so everything will be matters. So you need to follow all these suggestions. Okay, so let's get into the topic. So why I am telling these all these suggestions, because you are a batch 2, you don't know that much process about the interview. That's why I'll telling you each and everything. So if you feel bored, then you can start watching this video after 7 minutes. Okay, so next first experience, 11:20 a.m., 29th December 2025. First question, self introduction. And next question, about projects, have you done any internships? And next, fourth question, feedback in projects. And if anyone does not listen in a project, how do you deal with them? Okay, so I'm already told you project type of questions will be asking. So you can see the fifth question, if anyone does not listen in your project, how do you deal with them? Okay, and eighth question, least favorite subject, outs or like sorry outcomes of the project, and strength and weakness. Okay, so any questions to the interviewer, these are the 11th question. So we need to take the screenshot, and you can practice every day. Okay, until you will get the interview, definitely it will be helpful. So this is the first interview experience. And next, let's get into the next interview experience. So here is a 22 interview questions. So first question was, interviewer will be asking, how are you? How was your day? Please introduce yourself. Do you have any interest in cooking? What type of food do you cook? What do you cook? Vegetarian food. Recently, what food do you cook and why? Briefly explain any one of your projects, and what is your team size, what is your role in the team, and what is the difference between the team leader and assistant team leader. Okay, so most of the candidates will be preparing for the like Java oops concept, and list stack, like what about the array concept, everything they will prepare. But they don't even prepare for the like communication related stuff. Suppose if any company will be putting the communication round in the hiring process, definitely they are looking for the good communication persons, because Accenture is not an Indian company, it's a foreign company. You must need to maintain good communication skills. So that's why they are asking like how was your day. In that answer also, in that like way of your answer, how was your day. So It's pretty good, and I'm preparing for the interview, and now I'm attending the interview. Like this, you need to tell while you are telling the answer. Interviewer will be observing your communication skills and your way of answer. Okay, so that's why you need to maintain good communication skills. Okay, so next you need to prepare well for the project. Definitely it will be helpful, even some situational based questions. So here you can see they are asking regarding is an assistant team leader similar to a team leader. Like in your project there is a team leader as well as some sub team leader also there, assistant team leader. So they are asking regarding question, both are the same or else is there any difference between them. Okay, so you need to answer accordingly. So that's why you need to prepare situational based questions. Okay, how do you handle your role in your project, and how do you assign the task to your teammates. Okay, do you assign task, or does someone else assign them? Have you completed your graduation in July 2025? After completing the graduation, what did you do? What course did you join? What is the course duration? Why does the course duration extended? Your friends are working in organization, but you are not yet working. How do you motivate yourself? So see, there is a subtype of questions. He is asking only one question. Have you completed your graduation in July 2025? So after giving to the answer, they are asking almost 4 to 5 sub questions. After completion of your graduation, what you do and which course and why course is extended, like this. So these are the sub part of questions you need to answer them. Okay, because here they don't even concentrate towards the your graduation percentage, technical skills, whatever it is. They don't even concentrate towards the questions, but they are mainly consider your communication skills and how you handle the situation and how you have answering that questions. Okay, so these are the very important things to remember. Okay, so next let's get into the experience 3. Accenture virtual interview feedback. Self introduction. Mention one hypothetical situation that you turned into an opportunity. Least favorite subject and why. And mention one project that makes you feel proud. And idea for the final year project. And certificates or training completed so far. And what do you learn from your project? Where do you apply? And your role in the project, and feedback given by your mentor from your project. So each and every slide you need to like note down what is the repeated type of concepts. So here the repeated in the third slide there is a repeated topic project. Okay, and also they are clearly asking regarding what do you learn from your project. Yeah, both are the same type of questions. Project experience 3, project type situational based questions are like under subparts in the project. They are asking subpart of questions. So like how you handle the team and all. So this is the repeated, these are the repeated. So here also repeated outcomes of your project. Okay, so project question is very important for the Accenture company. Okay, you need to practice the project very thoroughly. Okay, so next experience 4. The interviewer began the session with a self introduction. He asked me to introduce yourself, and I was asked about my native place. Okay, he was asked about my native place, and he asked questions related to teamwork and collaboration in the work environment. And I was also asked to explain challenge I have faced and how I handle it. And also finally he asked if I had any questions for him. So the duration is maximum less, I think, because the less questions. Here the project will be not asking. Okay, you just remember, if based on your interviewer, sometimes the project also not asking. So you can prepare accordingly, but for project is mostly 90.99% is repeated. Okay, so you must prepare. So next fifth question, Duration 15 to 20 minutes. Introduce yourself, explain your project, tell me about the challenges you faced while working on project, and what new things did you learn while working on project. Did you discuss your project with the staff, and what was your specific role in the projects, and your least favorite subject and why, and do you have any network connections within any organization or companies. In the seventh question you must say no. Okay, you must say no, I don't have any connections in any organization or else any other companies. Because if you say yes sir, I have connections in this company, they will be rejected you. Because the most of the interviewers will be some of the candidates